Top 4 Protein Powders of 2025 Unbiased Review. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a little different, but just as important as your tech, your health. We're talking about the top 4 protein powders of 2025 that you absolutely need to try. Whether you're hitting the gym, trying to shed a few pounds, or just want to feel your best, these protein powders have got you covered. We'll break down each one, talk about what makes them stand out, and help you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we have a classic for a reason, the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. This product has been a staple in the fitness community for years, and there's a good reason why. It's trusted by athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts alike. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned pro, this protein powder has something to offer everyone. This isn't some flashy newcomer, this is the OG, the one that's been around the block and consistently delivers. It's like the reliable friend you can always count on. You know what you're getting with Optimum Nutrition: quality, consistency, and results. It's been formulated to provide the perfect balance of protein, carbs, and fats to help you achieve your fitness goals. We're looking at the double rich chocolate flavor here, and let me tell you, it lives up to the name. The taste is rich and satisfying, making it a treat to look forward to after a tough workout. It's not just about the flavor though. The texture is smooth and creamy, which makes it easy to mix and drink. No more choking down gritty shakes. Now, Optimum Nutrition is known for its quality, and this whey protein is no exception. The ingredients are top-notch, with no unnecessary fillers or additives. It's all about giving you the best possible product to support your fitness journey. The company has a reputation for rigorous testing and quality control, so you can trust that what's on the label is what's in the tub. It's all about packing in the protein to support muscle growth and recovery after those intense workouts. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing high-intensity interval training, your muscles need protein to repair and grow. This protein powder provides a convenient and effective way to get the protein you need without having to cook up a meal. With 24 grams of protein per serving, it's like giving your muscles the building blocks they need to get bigger and stronger. That's a substantial amount of protein, especially when you consider that it's coming from a high-quality source. It's also low in fat and carbs, so you can easily fit it into your diet whether you're bulking up or cutting down. And the best part, it blends super smooth. No one likes a lumpy protein shake, and with Optimum Nutrition, you don't have to worry about that. It mixes easily with water, milk, or your favorite beverage, so you can enjoy a smooth, delicious shake every time. It's perfect for those on-the-go moments when you need a quick protein boost. Nobody wants a clumpy protein shake, and this one mixes up perfectly in water or milk. The smooth texture makes it easy to drink, and the rich chocolate flavor makes it something to look forward to. It's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while still sticking to your fitness goals. Plus, at $33.25 for a 2-pound tub, it's a steal. You're getting a high-quality product at a great price, which is always a win. It's an affordable way to ensure you're getting the protein you need to support your fitness goals, and with so many servings per tub, it lasts a long time, making it a cost-effective choice. You're getting a lot of servings for your money, which is always a win in my book. Each serving is packed with the protein and nutrients you need to fuel your workouts and support muscle recovery. It's a smart investment in your health and fitness, and with Optimum Nutrition, you know you're getting a product you can trust. Next up, we're switching things up and going plant-based with the Garden of Life Meal Replacement Shakes. This is for all my vegan and vegetarian friends out there, or anyone looking for a more plant-focused protein option. This isn't just your average protein powder, it's a meal replacement, meaning it's packed with nutrients to keep you full and satisfied. We're talking plant-based pea protein, which is a great alternative to whey, plus sprouts, greens, and even probiotics for gut health. It's like getting a whole health food store in one scoop. And the flavor? Don't let the healthy ingredients fool you. This chocolate protein powder tastes amazing. It's rich, chocolatey, and doesn't have that artificial aftertaste that some vegan protein powders can have. At $38.69 for 28 servings, it's a bit pricier than the Optimum Nutrition, but you're getting a lot more than just protein here. You're getting a full meal replacement that's convenient, nutritious, and totally delicious. Chapter 3. Welcome to a new journey towards enhancing your overall wellness. Now let's talk about something a little different. Something that can truly elevate your health routine. This is the Collagen Powder Protein by Ancient Nutrition, and it's all about taking your wellness game to the next level. Imagine a supplement that not only supports your muscles but also enhances your beauty and gut health. We're not just talking about muscles here. This collagen powder is like a multivitamin for your hair, skin, nails, and even your gut. It's a comprehensive approach to feeling and looking your best. It's made with multiple types of collagen peptides, which means it covers a broad spectrum of benefits. These peptides are basically the building blocks of healthy tissues in your body. They play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and elasticity of your skin, the strength of your nails, and the flexibility of your joints. Think of it like this: collagen is what keeps your skin looking plump and youthful, your nails strong, and your joints feeling good. It's like the glue that holds everything together, and your joints feeling good. Whether you're hitting the gym, practicing yoga, or just going about your daily activities, collagen supports your body's natural movements. And this powder is packed with it. Just a scoop in your morning smoothie or coffee can make a significant difference. Plus, it's got added vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis in the body. Vitamin C actually helps your body absorb collagen better, making sure you get the maximum benefits from every serving. Talk about a power couple. When combined, collagen and vitamin C work synergistically to boost your overall health. The vanilla flavor is subtle and mixes well with just about anything. Whether you prefer it in water, milk, or your favorite smoothie, it blends seamlessly. At $43.97 for 45 servings, it's an investment in your overall health and well-being. Think about it, less than $1 per serving for a comprehensive health boost. It's an investment in your overall health and well-being. Imagine the long-term benefits of incorporating this into your daily routine. If you're looking for a protein powder that goes beyond the basics, something that offers more than just muscle support, this is the one to check out. Elevate your wellness routine with Collagen Powder Protein by Ancient Nutrition and experience the difference for yourself. Chapter 4. Welcome to the final chapter of our series where we explore the best collagen supplements on the market. Last but not least, we have the Vital Proteins Grass-Fed Collagen Powder. This product has gained a lot of popularity for good reason. This one's for all the minimalists out there who want a clean and simple collagen supplement without any fuss. If you appreciate a straightforward approach to health, this is the product for you. This unflavored powder is all about pure, high-quality collagen peptides sourced from grass-fed cows. The cows are raised in a natural environment, ensuring the collagen is of the highest quality. It's hydrolyzed, which is a fancy way of saying it's broken down into smaller, easier-to-absorb particles. This process makes it more effective and ensures that your body can absorb and utilize the collagen efficiently, so your body can actually put it to good use. Whether you mix it into your morning smoothie or take it with your favorite beverage, you'll be getting the benefits. And like the Ancient Nutrition, it also contains hyaluronic acid, which is a key ingredient for maintaining skin hydration and elasticity. Hyaluronic acid is like a tall glass of water for your skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. This means your skin will look and feel more youthful and vibrant. But what really sets this one apart is its versatility. You can incorporate it into a wide range of dishes and beverages without any hassle. Because it's unflavored, you can add it to literally anything. Whether it's your morning coffee, a refreshing smoothie, or even a hearty soup, it blends seamlessly. Smoothies, coffee, soups, you name it. The unflavored nature of this powder means it won't alter the taste of your favorite foods and drinks. It blends right in without altering the taste. This makes it incredibly convenient for daily use, as you won't even notice it's there. At $29.99 for 9.33 ounces, it's a great value for a high-quality collagen supplement. You get a substantial amount of product for a reasonable price. It's a great value for a high-quality collagen supplement. Compared to other products on the market, this one offers a balance of quality and affordability. If you're looking for a no-frills way to boost your collagen intake, this is the one for you. It's simple, effective, and fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. So whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who just wants to maintain their health, Vital Proteins Grass-Fed Collagen Powder is a clean and simple choice that delivers results. And there you have it, folks, the top 4 protein powders of 2025. We've got something for everyone on this list, from the classic whey protein for muscle building to plant-based meal replacements and collagen supplements for overall wellness. Remember, the best protein powder for you depends on your individual needs and goals. Think about what you're looking for in a protein powder, whether it's muscle growth, meal replacement, or specific health benefits. Once you know what you need, you can choose the powder that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on health, tech, and everything in between. See you in the next one.